everybody, this is Jennifer from DP Addiction Adventures, and I am coming to you with a Diamond Art Club. And I know what you guys are thinking. You guys are like, oh, Jennifer, you are on a no-buy ban. What in the world did you do? Well, surprise, I did absolutely nothing. This coming Friday, July 26th, is my birthday, and somebody heard it was my birthday, and so through proper channels, I am receiving a Diamond Art Club. So here it is. I want to dive in and see what we got here. For those of you who are new to the channel or don't know what Diamond Art Club is, they are a US-based company out of Las Vegas. They do have their factories, I believe, are in China. However, it's their own factory, their own drills, everything. And they are they're like the Lexus of diamond paintings. They're a little bit more expensive, but they are worth it. Ah, there's a bug. Excuse me while I rescue myself. Yep, no editing here, even though it's not live TV. I am saved. I smashed it. I have the philosophy that if it's in their world and their outside, then I do my best not to smash it unless it's a mosquito. If it's in my house, I'm sorry. You are in my territory. So anyway, yeah, so they, pay back to their designers. They do licensed art, so the artist gets a little bit a kickback. They also do hand charting, personal charting, and then they also they were one of the first that I think did square ABs. So they do offer round and square. They do focus, because it is hand charting, on the design itself. So every design only has one size, and usually it's either square or round, because the dimensions are slightly different when it comes to drills. So this is, they've had so far that I've seen 3 different boxes based on when they do their designs. This is this year's box. It's a pink box. If you do get a black, that's last year's stock. That doesn't mean anything. It just means that it's last year's stock. So yeah. Oh, so you guys want to see what I ordered? Woo! So I ordered the Daughter of Honor, which is basically Mulan. It's a Mandy Manzano. Well, I shouldn't say I ordered it. It's the one I selected when I was asked. And I'm not going to do an actual review because it is a gift and I don't want to micro analyze a gift. But I do want to go over it with you as an unboxing for those of you who are interested in seeing Diamond Art Club. Their box has the how-to on it. It has up here what the contents in the box are, and then on the front it has the sticker, which shows that this is round AB, and it's a 42 by 125 centimeters. What is AB? AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It's a type of coating, which I'll show you, that's on the drill that gives it a little bit of sparkle. So what did I get? I got the normal Diamond Art Club kit. This comes with a blue single placer. These bags are pretty nice. It comes with a tray, some baggies, a squishy to put on your single placer, 2 hearts of wax, it's more of the firm wax, and a 3 placer. So that's what you get in a normal. I do see that maybe in the squares they're starting to put in some tweezers, but because of my no buy ban, I have not purchased any squares since they started doing that. So I will keep you posted on my channel if I see that. Diamond Art Club used to have clear plastic. They did do a run with white, but I believe they're back to the clear because they weren't satisfied with the white. So I will tell you that the back of their canvas is phenomenal. It's soft. It's kind of like a felt velvet. It's gorgeous. The type of canvas it self-lays itself. So after you have it unrolled for a while, it will unroll itself. They also have a lifetime guarantee. So if you lose your drills, if drills pop off, you just let them know. If something happens with the canvas, quality-wise, you let them know, and they will do their best to work things out. Now, forgive me because I do not have you up on my TV to see what you're seeing. So I am doing my best to remember where you are in frame. But the symbols are phenomenal. I have not had to use a light pad with my Diamond Art Club because of how they do the symbols. But this is so gorgeous, guys. They do have their key. This is 47 colors. Oh my gosh. And it's got 3 ABs. On a Diamond Art Club, any number that's below a 150 is going to be your ABs, the special coated drills. So they have 124, 130, and then at the bottom 137. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Look at her dress. This is the biggest one I've ever had. Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous, guys. Look at that expression. Oh, it keeps going. Has it, you have another key up here. I loved her hair and how it worked, and I also loved this teal. I can't wait to see how that shows up. For all of those new, they also have in here so you can see how to diamond paint. But for those of us who have been diamond painting for a while, that gets recycled. I do know they've started to include stickers in some of their newer designs. But this is just gorgeous, guys. And the sticky is great. I love the vibrant colors. And they just do a fantastic job. Oh my goodness, this is going to be gorgeous. One thing I like about Mandy Manzano's art, so she's the artist that is licensed that did this, is she has a lot of color blocking, as well as some like what you would call confetti, but because her colors are just big and vibrant, it's more of just shading from one color to the next. And that's just so fun to do when you're diamond painting. It's just to work with all of those colors. She also is known for this black outline, almost like a stained glass feel to it. This green, my favorite color is green. If you are new to my channel, keep that in the back of your head. If I ever do a giveaway, I usually default to one of the questions, what is my favorite color? It is green, 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 green. Now, you may be surprised, I also like aqua and teal, but those are, in my head, a derivative, you know, towards the blue scale from green. So don't let that be a trick question. Green is my favorite color. Aqua and teal just have this calming effect on me, so it's kind of one of the subsets. Okay, so here are all the drills. They used to have what we call like a born date or a creation date, and for like one run of drills they didn't do that, or one of the factories didn't do it. I don't know, but I believe they've gone back to having when they've kitted these up. But this tells you it's a Diamond Art Club. DAC stands for Diamond Art Club, and it tells you that what the number is of the canvas and that it has ABs in it. I never really do inventory of Diamond Art Club because they have that lifetime warranty. They also, sorry, I'm talking over the crinkle. I'll stop for a minute. They also do it by weight, and normally when it's by a company does it by weight, you're less likely to have an issue. So these colors are gorgeous. And one thing I've learned is that these strips, I believe, are packaged by weight as far as heaviest to lightest. So you've got this like olive green, an 823, 702. I'm just kind of going to go through them. This is the AB. I always compare an AB almost like a sequence. So you've got a sparkle, but then you've got a sequence look. It gives it kind of that rainbow shimmer. Don't know if it's picking up well on camera. And you've got more green. There's your 310s. I'm going to go past those because we all know what black looks like. If you're new to diamond painting, 310 is black, and you'll get used to that. Okay. It's probably some of the skin tone, some more of the teal. You've got like a dark hunter green, even a darker green there. All right, let's unroll these babies. Okay, so then you've got like a dark gray, a brown, that darker skin color. Again, the 704, 703, that's got like 3 or 4 blues, right? I kind of think of this as if you've diamond painted or worked with DMC colors, you've got your like 208, 209, 210, 211 are kind of purples. And then you've got, I think it's 702, 703, 704 are like these lime greens. I never understood why the colors didn't go in some sort of order. I tried to look up DMC and how all that worked, but it didn't say much about how they pick the colors. So I have to do some more research on that. And then this, you've got like some really pretty blues. Yeah, there's that 703 again. All right, so here's the 130. So this is that yellow AB. I think the other one's like pink. Yep, 124. So here's like a light pink AB. So now you get to laugh at me while I try to re-roll these up. That's how we roll. That's how we roll. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun with this, guys. But I have to finish my Veteran Salute. Then I need to do my Sweet Angel for review. And then I get to pick what I want to do from there. So who knows? Let's see if oh my goodness. I never do this right. I remember watching a video on Becky's Crafting Madness, or I'm sorry, Becky, I never get your channel right, where you had your daughter Becca try to roll these up, and she epic nailed failed it. There we go. Kind of, sort of, maybe. That's why I'm not a professional diamond paint kidder upper. So I was watching Becky's video and laughing so hard when she had her daughter Becca try to wrap them up, and it totally did not fit, and then Becky took over and she got them to fit. So yeah, that is my birthday gift from a sweet soul from Diamond Art Club. So thank you so much. And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. I hope you enjoyed learning about Diamond Art Club if you're new. If you're not, be careful. That website will get you every time, but they do have a great rewards program, and they really do their best to love on their customers and give back. So yeah, I love you guys all, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. So until then, take care of yourselves and be blessed. Bye-bye.